Hey everyone. So I'm back at home. I'm not at my grandparents in that dusty room, but coming home made my allergies much worse because my mom had the windows open and the pollen was really bad. And earlier today I was playing card games with my family on the porch, and that's what started the allergies, I guess, today. And then I was outside at home on a screened-in porch talking to people that came over, and basically I just became very, I don't want to say sick, but like sick sounding, like talking wise. And I think I have a sinus infection. My face is like tight from sneezing, and it hurts, and my nose hurts. Yeah, everything on my face hurts basically. And I have my window open, so like, not to induce, but like, so it keeps it cool in my room, and I wish I could close it, but I don't know if the AC is gonna be on, so, yeah. But I was just sneezing like seconds ago, and now it's like gone. Oh, wait, no. I'm gonna sneeze. Ew. Ew. Yeah, I don't really feel much better now after sneezing so much. I hope you guys are doing well. Comment if you have any requests. I'm taking requests right now. Since like my allergies been like really bad, it's easy to induce. Since all this pollen is coming through my window and all this dust from my fan is flying off. So, yeah. If you have scenarios, I'll try to do it like 2 to 3 minute one. As long as I can stand the sneezing. If it gets too much, then I'll stop. You guys know how it works. So yeah, if you have any ideas, let me know. No. Sorry, you guys can't see my face. I'm laying in the dark. I was supposed to go to sleep, but I just started sneezing, so I guess it's gonna be another sleepless night. Sneezing. Ew, I don't know what that was. It was like a build up and then sneeze in one. Sorry, I'm sneezing so much. I can't. So much. Well, alright, I'm gonna go before it gets worse. So, I hope you guys are doing great. Don't get sick like I am.